The tech world is abuzz with anticipation as the possible unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 looms closer, expected to set the precedent for all 2024 phone releases. Amidst a flurry of leaks and rumors, a recent FCC filing has shed light on some pivotal specifications, offering a glimpse into what enthusiasts can expect from the upcoming series. Within the FCC's database, details of all three versions of the Galaxy S24 have emerged, spotlighting intriguing disparities between global iterations and those bound for the United States. Filings for the US-bound Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus reveal their association with the Qualcomm modem, signaling a reliance on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This distinction suggests a divergence in chipsets between regions, leaving uncertainty regarding the utilization of Exynos and Snapdragon processors for the global Galaxy S24 series. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, unveiled by Qualcomm in October, champions advancements in AI capabilities through its updated AI engine. Considering Samsung's commitment to integrating AI features, the synergy between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Samsung's aspirations for innovative experiences appears inevitable. Moreover, insights from the FCC filing hint at the Galaxy S24 Ultra also harnessing the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, mirroring the standardized chipset strategy observed in the preceding Galaxy S23 lineup. The discovery of the S Pen design for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, bearing an identical model name to its predecessor, further reinforces the continuation of this advanced stylus integration. However, the filing refrains from disclosing any potential enhancements or new features accompanying this updated S Pen. Excitingly, the FCC filing unveils a trove of additional features for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including Wi-Fi 7 support, reverse wireless charging, and ultra-wideband support, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is slated to receive ultra-wideband support. It remains uncertain if the standard Galaxy S24 will share this capability. Assuredly, the entry-level models will offer Wi-Fi 6E support, Bluetooth 5.3, and reverse wireless charging as standard features. As the leaks continue to pour in, the imminent launch of the Galaxy S24 promises a compelling blend of technological advancements, marking another significant milestone in the evolution of flagship smartphones.